Today, I am about to unlock age-old secrets to a healthier, more vibrant you. As we age, our bodies change. Aches and pains become unwanted companions. But what if I told you that nature holds the key? What if simple natural remedies could make a world of difference? Well, that's precisely what I am going to explore today. I am taking you on a journey to discover the potent power packed within honey and turmeric. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to nature's medicine cabinet. Long before pills and potions filled our shelves, our ancestors relied on plants and herbs. Honey, with its golden sweetness, has long been revered for its medicinal properties. Turmeric, the vibrant spice that gives curries their sunshine hue, boasts a wealth of health benefits. These gifts from nature are more than just ingredients. They are powerful allies in our quest for well-being. Now let's delve a little deeper, shall we? Let's unlock the treasure chest of benefits these two powerhouses hold. Honey is a treasure trove of antioxidants. These antioxidants fight those pesky free radicals, those troublemakers that can wreak havoc on our bodies. And turmeric? Well, it boasts a compound called curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is at the root of many health woes. Together, honey and turmeric form a dynamic duo. Scientific research is backing up what our ancestors knew all along. Honey isn't just a sweetener for your tea. It's a powerhouse of goodness. Antioxidants are our tiny warriors, battling those nasty free radicals I mentioned earlier. Honey steps in to save the day. Its antioxidant properties are like a protective shield, helping to keep our cells healthy and happy. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to oxidative stress. But honey helps us fight back, keeping us feeling young and vibrant. Now let's talk about those aches and pains that seem to creep up as we get older. Honey has a soothing secret. It's a natural anti-inflammatory. That means it can help calm down those inflamed areas, bringing much-needed relief. Think of it as a warm hug for your joints, a gentle caress for your muscles. So, the next time you're feeling a bit creaky, reach for that jar of honey. Feeling a bit sluggish? Honey can help with that too. It's a natural energy booster, providing a slow and sustained release of energy. Unlike sugar, which gives you a quick spike and then a crash, honey provides sustained energy, keeping you going throughout the day. Add it to your yogurt, drizzle it on your oatmeal, or simply enjoy a spoonful straight from the jar. Your body will thank you for it. Now, let's turn our attention to turmeric, the golden spice that has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. This vibrant yellow powder, derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, is a true gift from the earth. It's what gives curries their beautiful golden hue and adds a warm, earthy flavor to countless dishes. But turmeric is much more than just a culinary delight. It's a potent anti-inflammatory, a powerful antioxidant, and so much more. For those of us over 50, turmeric can be a true game changer. One of the most remarkable properties of turmeric lies in its ability to combat inflammation. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases that become more prevalent as we age. Think of it like a fire within the body. A little bit of inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, helping our bodies heal. But when inflammation becomes chronic, it's like a fire that burns out of control, damaging our cells and tissues. This is where turmeric steps in, armed with its secret weapon, curcumin. Numerous studies have shown that curcumin can effectively reduce inflammation throughout the body. As we age, keeping our minds sharp and our memories intact becomes increasingly important. Curcumin, that wonder compound I discussed earlier, has been shown to have neuroprotective effects, meaning it can help protect our brains from damage. Studies suggest that curcumin may help improve memory, enhance cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So adding a dash of turmeric to your diet might just be the key to keeping your mind sharp and your memory strong as you age. Now, imagine combining the remarkable powers of honey and turmeric. It's like uniting two superheroes, each with their own unique strengths, to form an unstoppable force for good health. Honey with its soothing, antioxidant-rich sweetness, and turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, create a synergy that is truly remarkable. The combination of honey and turmeric has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems for centuries, particularly in Ayurveda. Ayurveda recognizes the potent healing properties of these two natural ingredients, using them to address a wide range of health concerns. And modern science is finally catching up, confirming what our ancestors knew all along. But what exactly happens when these two powerhouses join forces? Well, the magic lies in their synergistic effect. Honey enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, meaning it helps our bodies absorb and utilize this potent compound more effectively. This means that you get more bang for your buck when you consume honey and turmeric together. Additionally, honey's soothing properties complement turmeric's anti-inflammatory action, providing a double whammy of relief for those aches and pains. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. But here's the thing, it's not just anecdotal evidence or ancient wisdom supporting the health benefits of honey and turmeric together. Numerous studies have investigated the combined effects of honey and turmeric, finding impressive results. The evidence is mounting, and it's painting a very clear picture. Honey and turmeric, when combined, are a potent force for good health. It's truly remarkable, isn't it? How nature provides us with such potent remedies just waiting to be discovered. Honey and turmeric, these humble ingredients found in kitchens around the world, hold within them the potential to transform our health and well-being. Just a teaspoon of each, combined and consumed daily, can make a world of difference. But I'll get into the practicalities of incorporating this dynamic duo into your daily routine in a bit. I know that you find this video informative so far, and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy, and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Now, let's talk about you. Imagine this. You've decided to invite honey and turmeric into your life. You diligently take your daily dose, perhaps adding it to a warm glass of milk before bed or stirring it into your morning yogurt. A week goes by. What can you expect? What subtle yet significant transformations might you notice after just that 1 week? Well, don't be surprised if you find yourself moving with a little more spring in your step. Remember that afternoon slump that used to have you reaching for another cup of coffee? Well, don't be surprised if you find yourself sailing through the afternoon with renewed vigor. The sustained energy provided by honey, combined with turmeric's ability to combat inflammation and improve blood flow, can do wonders for your overall energy levels. You can even find yourself with the energy to tackle those household chores you've been putting off, or to enjoy a leisurely evening stroll without feeling completely drained. And speaking of feeling drained, that persistent brain fog that can cloud your thinking, honey and turmeric can help lift that fog, leaving you feeling sharper and more mentally alert. Now, let's talk about something that might bring a smile to your face when you look in the mirror. That healthy glow we all crave, the one that seems to fade a little with each passing year. Well, don't be surprised if you start to notice a subtle radiance returning to your complexion. Turmeric, with its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, can work wonders for your skin. Combined with honey's ability to moisturize and soothe, you have a recipe for a more youthful and radiant complexion. And it's not just your skin that will benefit. These are just a few of the transformative effects you can experience after just 1 week of incorporating honey and turmeric into your daily routine. Remember, everyone is different and results may vary, but the key is consistency. Just like any good habit, the key to reaping the full benefits of honey and turmeric lies in making it a part of your daily life. Now, I will move on to the practicalities of how to incorporate honey and turmeric into your daily routine. Don't worry, it could be as simple as a spot of tea. The beauty of honey and turmeric is their versatility and ease of use. A simple daily ritual is all it takes. The most basic yet effective method is to combine a teaspoon of raw organic honey with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Raw honey is unheated and unfiltered, preserving all those precious enzymes and antioxidants that make it so special. As for turmeric powder, make sure it's organic and of good quality. Now, here's how the ritual unfolds. Warm up a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, whichever you prefer. As the milk gently simmers, add your teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of turmeric. Whisk it together until it's beautifully combined, creating a golden elixir. Sip on this soothing elixir before bed, and let the magic work its wonders as you drift off to sleep. Don't think for a moment that this golden ritual is the only way to enjoy the benefits of honey and turmeric. You can add a dollop of honey and a pinch of turmeric to your morning yogurt or porridge, drizzle it over fresh fruit for a healthy and delicious snack, stir it into a cup of herbal tea for a soothing and comforting drink. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment in the kitchen. Make it a habit to include honey and turmeric in your daily routine, and you'll soon reap the rewards. Now, before you raid your pantry for honey and turmeric, a word of caution. Natural remedies require caution, especially if you're over 50 or have health conditions. Honey is still sugar, so enjoy it in moderation. Turmeric can interact with medications, especially blood thinners. Consult your healthcare provider before adding turmeric to your diet. While honey and turmeric are generally safe, moderation is key. Especially for those over 50, our bodies may have certain sensitivities, because honey is still sugar. If you're watching your sugar intake, consult your doctor. Your doctor is your best friend in these matters. Always best to check, isn't it? Every body is unique. What works for one might not be suitable for another. This information is a stepping stone, not a replacement for personalized medical advice. Keep communication open with your healthcare provider. So there you have it. The remarkable potential of honey and turmeric, two humble ingredients with an extraordinary synergy. We've delved into the science, the studies that back up what ancient wisdom has known for centuries. This is just the beginning of your exploration. Remember, the world of natural remedies is vast and brimming with possibilities. A step towards reclaiming vitality, easing those aches, rediscovering that youthful spring in your step. It's about embracing the golden years, not with resignation, but with a renewed sense of vigor and well-being. Honey and turmeric are but two shining stars in this constellation of health. So go forth, experiment, listen to your body's wisdom, and remember, above all, to savor life's sweetness, the sweetness of good health, the sweetness of simple pleasures, the sweetness of each golden sunrise. Cheers to your health, to your well-being, and to the journey ahead. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video, but until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep embracing the power of nature's bounty. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.